Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used Toyota CHR XL. Now it's a 1.8 petrol hybrid automatic finished in this fabulous white exterior colouring. On the front of the vehicle you have got adaptive LED headlights and daytime running lights. This brings a high-tech and sporty look to the exterior of the vehicle and also illuminates the road ahead amazingly when driving in low light conditions. Continuing down the sides of the vehicle, you have got your electronically adjustable door mirrors and even rear privacy glass. Now this makes the white exterior colouring look super vibrant, but it also helps keep any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot super safe. Also on the rear of the vehicle, you have got the chrome detailing in both the Toyota and CHR badging. Another exterior aspect which should be mentioned is the 18-inch 10 double spoke alloy wheels. Now this just adds the finishing touches to an already fabulous looking vehicle and also makes it stand out from the rest. But taking you back around to the rear of the vehicle now and showing you the boot space included. As you can see, there is so much space available, making it ideal for transporting large objects such as luggage when going away on holiday, or even items such as prams and shopping. And also you can fold your rear seats forward to create an extended boot. Take you into the rear seats and you will be able to see they're made out of a full black leather. This brings the amazing look of the exterior into the interior while also providing the utmost comfort. The rear seats also come with ISOFIX points which allows you to safely connect child seats to the rear of this vehicle. Going into the front of the vehicle and you will be able to see that it comes with a multifunction steering wheel as well as main infotainment display which sits nicely on the dashboard. And just like in the rear seats, we've got the full black leather seating but now in a sports style for added comfort and looks to the interior. Showing you some of the high-tech features included, and starting with the multifunction steering wheel. This way you can control different aspects of the vehicle and all without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel. This car also comes with a cruise control option which allows you to set and limit your speed, which is perfect for them long motorway journeys. Just above your steering wheel you have also got your driver's display, and this is where any relevant information the driver will need to know will be shown. And you can also use your multifunction steering wheel to go through all the different options and displays available, tailoring it even more to the driver. But taking you onto the main infotainment display now though, and this is where all the main features of the car can be found and even controlled. One of the features included is a super reliable navigation system, and as it is a touchscreen display it means you can move the map itself as well as zoom in and zoom out for your required distance. This car also comes with Bluetooth telephone connectivity which allows you to seamlessly connect your phone to the vehicle to make and receive calls, and all without even needing to pick your phone up. Now when the car is put into reverse you will be able to see that a rear camera with parking guidelines as well as front and rear parking sensors does come up. This means that reversing and manoeuvring has never been easier for the driver, and it also protects the exterior look of the vehicle for longer. Continuing down the centre console and just below the main infotainment display you have got your dual climate control. The great thing about dual climate is that you can adjust one side of the vehicle without affecting the other side. The front seats also come with the additional bonus of a heated function with 3 different heat settings, which is perfect for them cold winter months. Other features included on your centre console is a storage space for your phone with media input. You've also got electronic parking brake and even a spacious centre armrest storage where you can store various items.